So if you don't have Node.js node in your application, go to nodejs.org. Okay, so you can download latest features. Okay, and recommended for most users. Otherwise, go to download menu and download the um, software, a Windows installer or Mac OS or source code. Okay, so recommended for most users. So we have to download this one only. So if you click on this one, so it will be downloaded. Okay, once you download the file, actually I have the Node.js in my system. Okay, so here Node.js. So once you download the file, you have to install, and after that, once you install the Node.js, install Git in your system. Okay, Git sem.com. Okay, so download 2.17.0 for Windows. So download this one also and install the Git software in your system. So to create a Git repositories, okay, it is a free and open source distributed version control. Okay, so this is actually version control, and I have the Git also in my system. Okay, Git bash, okay, Git cmd, Git GI, GitHub desktop, and everything is there in my system. So after you install Git and Node.js in our system, you can go to you can search in Google for Angular seed. Okay, Angular seed. Okay, so this is the required files to run the AngularJS application or to implement the AngularJS application. So required files. Okay, limited required files only. If you need more files, you have to install the node package managers. Okay, npms. So this is the skeleton for typical AngularJS web application. You can use it to quickly boost up your Angular web apps. So this is the simplest way to run the and to implement the AngularJS application. And if you want to install all these specified files, so it is very difficult. So directly you can download this file as zip file. Otherwise, you can clone the file. So you can copy this URL here. Use git or checkout with svn using the web URL. So copy this one and open git bash. Otherwise, specify the folder wherever you want to implement the application. Okay, my app. So one folder is created. So you can right click on this folder and go to git bash. So directly it will uh, the file is downloaded into this my app folder. Git clone and space paste. Copy this. Otherwise, copy this one. Okay, so https github.com angular seed.git. So hit enter. So everything, the all files download into your folder, my app folder. Okay, receiving object. Okay, once you clone the project into our system, redirect to the project folder and run npm install command to install the node modules. So this will take some time to install the node modules into project. So all these are supported files. Okay. So once we install node modules into our project, so directly you can run the application. So without any implementation here. npm start command. Okay, npm start command to run the application. Okay. So if you run this npm start command, so this application is available in this localhost 8000. Okay, now this application is running through localhost only. So we are not executing this application through any editor. So go to the directory folder, browser, localhost 8000. So actually this is the sample application. Okay, Angular Seed is the sample application here. So you can open this application in Visual Studio Code. Open the application in Visual Studio Code. Okay, go to app folder and all files will be here in app folder only. Okay, so this is the app.js file and this is index.js file. This is the single page application. Okay, index page and and after that app.js file. So this is the module for the application. And this is the configuration. Okay, routing configuration. Okay, location provider, route provider. Only v1 and v2 is there. So these are the two templates. Okay, v2.html and v1.html. Okay, these are the separate controllers for v1 template. Okay, so view controller, and this is the module for this template only. Okay, my app.v1 is the module for this v1 template, and for v2 my app.v2, and you can start editing the application from here. Okay, in app folder only. So now you can delete these files. Okay, view v1 v2 app. Okay, so all these files you can download, you can delete. So already we implemented one application, sample app. So copy these files and paste those files in app folder. Okay, temps folder. So if you run the application directly, no need to run, no need to run again the application. Okay, directly the browser is refreshed. Okay, so everything is deployed, compiled here. Okay, in git bash, so every file is compiled here. Okay, if you go to gallery, so gallery also gallery.html is compiled, and if you go to contactors is compiled. Every time the files will compiled. So after you implement the application like this, okay, now you can implement the application in app folder only. Okay, and templates folder and app folder, app.js and index.html file. Okay, this is the starting page, and this is the module for the application, and the routing configuration, and the control for each and every template. So after you install the you develop the application, you can upload the application into Git. To upload the application into Git, login into github.com website. Okay, login into github.com website. You can see here new repository. So click new repository. Give the application name here. New app. Okay, and public. If you want to available application in public, you can leave this as public. Otherwise, if you want to private the application, select this private and create repository. So now application is created in GitHub. Okay, with your username. So new app is the application name, and here you can see the steps to upload the application into GitHub. Okay, quick setup if you have done with this kind of thing before. So directly you can upload the application through Git desktop application. Okay, here the GitHub desktop application is there. So directly you can upload the application through this application, this software. Otherwise, you can follow these steps to upload the application through command line. So once you create the application in GitHub, so it will show the steps here. So go open git bash, Control C. So now we have to install the Git into our application folder. Okay, now open the application in git bash. So now initialize the git into our project. Okay, first of all we have to initialize the git into our project folder. So git is initialized here. You can find here .git folder. Okay, once we initialize the git into our project, you can find this folder. And after that, so this step is completed. And after that, git add readme. So no need to specify the readme.md. So directly we can run the command like git add space dot and hit enter. Okay, git add completed. And next command is git commit -m in double quotes first commit. Okay, first commit. So run this command. So all files are created in command. So next, copy this URL, copy this command, and directly you can paste here. Then git remote add origin https github. So same this URL. Okay, and hit enter. So remote origin already exists. Okay, next one, git push. We are pushing the application into git online. Git origin master. Okay, here it is asking username. So now I'm uploading this application into my GitHub. So Prasad Malapati is my username, and it is asking password here. Okay, so password is, so after give the password, something happened here. So close this one. So remove this git. Again open this application in git bash. Git init. So once you run this command, the folder .git is folder is created. Okay, and git add space dot. The git is added, and next git commit -m first commit a files is created, and the next copy this one. Okay, now again git push -u origin master. So now it will ask username and again password. It is asking. Now you can see total 31 files. Okay, objects 100% is completed. Okay, now you can refresh this URL. So these all files are uploaded into this GitHub. Okay, into my account. So this is my application. So you can edit readme.md file. So now this application is available in public. So you can download this file or you can clone the file from this URL only. So go to this URL. So you can download the file, download the application. So like this you can uh, develop the applications without any editor. Visual Studio like this. Through node modules we can run the application. We have to run the application in real-time application. Real-time also we have to run the application using node modules only.